how to add follow button on your Facebook account. To add follow button, first of all open your Facebook application. Once you are on your Facebook application, make sure that you have logged into your account and then hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your menu, scroll down and hit on the setting and privacy and then go through the settings. Scroll down a little bit. Under the section of audience and visibility, you will see how people find and contact you. In this, make sure that all of the option is make to public or everyone. Then go to the post and do same on the post as well. Make it to public. Go through the stories as well and make sure that it is allowed in every section and then make to everyone. Once you do this, your follow button on your Facebook account will be appeared. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.